Good day, everyone. My name is Nzdcad. I am the founder of Geofort Forest Academy. So today, being the 17th of May 2024, I will be talking about Nzdcad, the New Zealand dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Yeah, you recall that on the 1st of May, I did a video on this currency pair, during which I announced that I was going to go long on Nzdcad. And the reason basically for that was because of this channel here, what seems to be like a falling wedge. I showed in the video that when the market got to this channel, it went up and tested the top of this channel and fell down back to the bottom of the channel, rose up again, tested the top of the channel, fell back again, and it was here that I announced that the market has gotten to the bottom of this channel, and because of the price actions that I was going to go long on Nzdcad, and I did went long, and then I announced this to all of my followers. So basically on this candle being that tested the bottom of this channel on the 1st of May was when I announced the long position that I took, and I did a video on this, and I told you guys that I'm expecting the market to test back to the top of this channel. The market of course sold up and then got to this point. When the market got here, there was a temporary range here, and then during which I announced to you friends that I was going to take out my long position because the price action here indicates that probably that the market could just do a little fall back and then perhaps test back the bottom of this channel before it eventually goes long. So I said for me to secure my profit, I was going to take out my profit from here and see what the market or how the market is gonna react on this temporary range. And then fast forward to today, basically by means of this candle, after the release of the CPI news on Wednesday, we had a very long sell that broke a long buy rather that broke both the temporary range and even went above the top of my channel. Okay, so that's basically what it is. Like I said, that I like catching the market from its genesis when it is just about to begin its movement, and that's basically what it is. And you can see how it played out here, and a couple of other of my analyses that I've done, some are currently running into some pips in profits. So having broken the top of this channel, where does the Nzdcad go from here? Where does it go from here? Alright, so that's basically what I'll be talking about here. Like I mentioned a couple of times in my videos, I mentioned that whenever you see long candles like this, that I do anticipate, and oftentimes that's what the market does. We'll see a 50% retracement to some of these candles before move up, before continuation of the move. Now, not just that we need to get a retracement on this. Currently, Nzdcad is right now above a critical, not necessarily above, even though you could see that is somewhat above a critical resistance of 0.83278. This is a very critical resistance that we need to watch out as to how it reacts here. If I flip to the weekly time frame, you can see how this place have served as resistance and support for quite some couple of times. You can see from some of the lows here and some of the highs here, this particular low, the market got to it, and then here it was serving as a support, and then you can see when the market broke here, and then it served as a resistance. So this high here, this low here, you can see another high here, and eventually some of these lows here. So therefore it shows that the horizontal level of 0.83278 is going to serve as a critical support, rather a critical resistance now. On a weekly time frame it hasn't quite broken it, but if you flip to the daily time frame it has broken it. Okay, so what do we expect the market to do here? Well, two things are bound to happen here, and I would like to mention the two things I'm expecting the market to do here. I'm expecting this market to make a sustained break, if at all it is going to do that, make a sustained break on this critical level of 0.83273. If it makes a sustained break above it and then probably do some gets to points like this and then slope down and maintains a break above here, and then I am expecting the market to continue on its forward movement. That is true because there are still areas to be filled up right above there. For instance, we have this level here, that needs to be filled up, basically because of this candle. There is what I call liquidity magnets all around here, and I am anticipating or assuming it's going to take days or even weeks for this to happen, that Nzdcad is probably going to continue in its upward movement. But before that happens, it means that it needs to do a sustained break all above this critical right now it is serving as a resistance. So it has to do a sustained break above the resistance of 0.83278. If it does make a sustained break, and then I am anticipating the market to go to levels like 0.87170 and all of that. My first stop, however, will be on 0.85220. That's the first psychological level to be on a lookout for. However, if it closes back below this critical resistance, and then I am expecting to make a move down to test back this trend line, the top of this channel, and then maintains a sustained break before it does the move eventually. So stay tuned, because I will also be providing future analysis. Of course, you can count on me that I will always bring to your notice how the market plays out. So stay tuned, stay connected to me. I'll be right back to provide other analysis. Trade wisely. I'll see you on my next video.